regarding you.
Oh, really?
So I thought, so I should book an appointment with the best gynecologist, so I should get a very best results.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thanks a lot for your compliment.
So my problem is like that. I'm having 3 kids. The first one is the normal delivery.
Okay.
That is 7 years old.
Okay.
Second one is the cesarean section.
Second, okay.
Yeah, it is 3 years old.
3 years, okay.
After that, I insisted my husband
Yeah.
that we should go for the family planning operation,
Yeah.
but he refused.
Okay.
Although I am having the first 2 male boys,
Okay.
as our Indian society very particularly insists,
I
but my mother-in-law is also not interested,
Okay.
so they all put me on the tablets.
Okay.
So after that, taking the tablets, only my weight is increased. From 65, it becomes 72.
Okay.
But the third baby has come because every time I forget to take the tablets in between.
Okay.
Then when the third baby is delivered, again I am insisting my family to go for an operation. As what I heard, here, after the operation the chances of the complications are little less compared to these tablets.
Okay.
Again I am put on these tablets, all this weight gain, bloating, hair fall, my figure is all lost, ma'am. So I came to you with a lot of hopes.
Okay, so it's really nice to hear so much from you, Ritu. And first of all, let me tell you, you are very well maintained, okay? And I understand from what you told that you just wanted 2 kids and you opted for oral contraceptive,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So who told you about it? How did you come to know about it?
Ma'am, we consulted a local doctor.
Okay.
That is actually family doctor, not even a gynecologist. A family doctor. I am in plain MBBS, where my in-laws insisted me to go there.
Okay. So you took the pills as suggested by your doctor.
Yeah.
It was not by your choice, right? Okay. So I would like to have few details from you. When was your last menstrual period?
In this month, I got the last second of this month.
So is there any problem with your menstrual cycle? Is the cycle regular?
The cycle is regular.
Bleeding is for okay, or is it average, or there is
Bleeding is average.
Bleeding is average.
And I am not a thyroid or sugar patient.
Oh, that's really
BP
great.
is also normal.
You are a very aware citizen. It's good to have people like you in our clinic. So your menstrual history is okay. You are having 3 kids.
Yeah.
Second one was a cesarean. Third one was a normal delivery.
Yes, normal.
And it's 9-month-old, right?
Yeah.
Are you breastfeeding your child?
And I stop, ma'am. Otherwise, my figure will go.
Okay, you are very conscious about your figure. I can make it out now. So there are n number of options available which you can adopt. So first of all, let me tell you about the options which are available for planning your for family planning, right? See, you can see this chart. Okay, you can see this. Are you aware of any of these methods?
Yes.
For sure, you know.
Yeah.
Have you seen other?
And there is some silver preparation is also available. So
Okay.
can you please explain me what are the advantages of that? I read the one name also, Silver Lily or something. Cost is not a problem, but that should be suited to my body.
Okay, that should suit your body, right? So you are very techno savvy and you update yourself time to time through the net, right?
Yeah.
So very well, this is IUCD. It is placed inside the uterus, right? And what you are seeing here is the copper lining.
Yeah.
Then you can see this. This is an IUCD. It is multi-load. It works for 5 years. What else do you know from
What?
other basket? Rest of you have you seen condom earlier? Can you recognize this?
Yes.
Okay, then pills you've been taking, but you are not interested in taking pills. So contraceptive methods are of 2 types, temporary and permanent, right? So that methods which we have discussed here are all temporary. For permanent method, there is operation, which is male sterilization and female sterilization. Okay?
Yeah.
So you don't want to, have more number of children. Now you want to limit your family,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So there are, for temporary methods, you can use long-acting reversible methods, or you can go for permanent methods. So let me tell you about reversible long-acting methods first. Like you rightly said that you've heard of IUCDs.
Yeah.
It acts for 5 years or 10 years. And then depending on the method, type of IUCD you use, you need to change it, right?
Yes.
Then pills you have been taking, you are not interested. Condom also is not good for limiting the family. So
Sorry
now
to interrupt you, doctor.
Yeah.
But I have heard so many wrong things about this IUCDs.
you heard
Yes.
what wrong things?
I
are
have
about?
heard that a patient will suffer from lot of white discharge, chronic backache.
Okay.
I have searched online also that it is written here in all the places, and when you're on the IUCDs, the chances of the misplacement or the falling of the IUCD are very high even after the first month.
Okay.
So is it necessary when I put on the IUCD, I have to take some supplements also?
No, let me tell you. So you want to know in detail about IUCD. So IUCD is placed inside the uterus after within first 10 to 14 days of your menstrual cycle. And what you have heard of is white discharge due to this method is not true. If you see 100 women standing in front of you, 80% of them have this problem of white discharge, which itself is not pathological at all. It's my feeling. It's a subjective feeling. A normal discharge may be normal for me, which may be annoying for another woman. And most of them are not using any method, still they are having this discharge, which may be because of pelvic infection, right? Then there are chances of expulsion, but that is very, very, very rare. And it's good to be, reading the information from the net, but you should always go for an expert advice from a doctor. Since you are such a brilliant patient,
I think you can conversation. You could.
Doctor,
Yeah.
but I have heard so many wrong things about this IUCD.
you heard
Yes.
what wrong things?
I
have
have
you
heard that a patient will suffer from lot of white discharge, chronic backache.
Okay.
I have searched online also, then it is written here in all the places, and when you're on the IUCDs, the chances of the misplacement or the falling of the IUCD are very high even after the first month.
Okay.
So is it necessary when I put on the IUCD, I have to take some supplements also?
No, let me tell you. So you want to know in detail about IUCD. So IUCD is placed inside the uterus after within first 10 to 14 days of your menstrual cycle. And what you have heard of is white discharge due to this method is not true. If you see 100 women standing in front of you, 80% of them have this problem of white discharge, which itself is not pathological at all. It's my feeling. It's a subjective feeling. A normal discharge may be normal for me, which may be annoying for another woman. And most of them are not using any method, still they are having this discharge, which may be because of pelvic infection, right? Then there are chances of expulsion, but that is very, very, very rare. And it's good to be, reading the information from the net, but you should always go for an expert advice from a doctor. Since you are such a brilliant patient,
I think you can conversation. You could move towards the end.
Yeah, and then there are permanent methods as well, like female and male sterilization. Like you said that you wanted to undergo tube ligation, right? But you family people, they did not allow you to undergo that. So you can either go for your sterilization or your husband can undergo vasectomy.
Yes.
So both are equally effective. Now laparoscopic sterilization is also being done, so you'll be discharged within a day, within 24 hours of getting the operation done, or your husband can get it done, which is an office procedure.
And my husband is so egoistic. Next time I think I will bring him also. You please try to wash his mind.
Great. So what method do you want to adopt now?
I want that better my husband should go for this vasectomy.
So in the meantime, what are you going to do?
Meanwhile, I can go for this condoms I can use.
Condoms. But
Yeah.
condoms have a very high failure rate. And since you have to limit your family, I suggest that in order to avoid unwanted family, you should go for a method, some method which is reliable, which can be either IUCD or injectables, pills you don't want to take. So you better decide, talk to your husband and go for sterilization or long-acting reversible methods. Is there anything else that you want to ask?
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, ma'am. What I have heard, I found actually good. I will refer more and more patients
Oh,
to
you made my day. I wish I have my patients like you every day. Thank you so much.
I think it was very well done and doesn't require any adverse comments at all because she has both you, in fact, the doctor since the patient.